sucker, baby. That's how you caught me. My second verse might be a bit old hat, but don't think that I don't